Most people think it's all about technique. But what if I told you that the secret isn't in the hands, it's in the mind? Imagine creating anticipation, focus, and intensity with every subtle move, so that every reaction feels electric, irresistible, and unforgettable. Welcome to Dark Feminine Insights, where we uncover the hidden psychology behind desire and attraction. Today, we're diving into the secrets of creating irresistible anticipation and intensity that captivates like nothing else. Starting with the very first move, it's all about slowing down and being intentional. Most people rush in, thinking speed or force will create impact, but that's the opposite of what actually works. The power lies in awareness. Before making any move, pay attention to subtle signals, the slightest change in breathing, a shiver, a shift in posture. These micro-reactions are like a map, showing where attention is drawn and where anticipation is building. Moving slowly allows the other person to feel every sensation, and it gives you time to adapt in real time. There's a tension in the pause itself, a psychological pull that makes what happens next feel inevitable and irresistible. Intentionality is not just physical, it's mental. Approaching with calm confidence, knowing exactly what you're doing and why, communicates a magnetic presence. Every motion, every touch, every shift in rhythm matters because it tells a story of control and awareness. The brain responds to this more than raw technique. When someone senses that you're fully present, engaged, and reading them like a subtle code, their focus intensifies. Anticipation heightens sensitivity, making even the smallest gesture feel amplified. Starting slow is also a way to tease without overtly teasing. It builds suspense in a natural, almost subconscious way. You're creating a rhythm that the mind craves, a push and pull of tension and release. By the time movement accelerates or intensifies, the connection is already deepened, and the impact is multiplied. It's a strategy that transforms simple actions into a layered experience of sensation, awareness, and emotional engagement, showing that patience and focus are the true expert's tools. The second move is all about playful variation. Once the initial awareness and slow, intentional approach have set the stage, it's time to introduce unpredictability. The human mind craves novelty, and the body responds to contrast. By changing rhythm, pressure, and angle in subtle ways, attention is kept fully engaged. A steady, predictable motion can quickly become background noise, but variation keeps every moment fresh and exciting. It's not about random movements, it's about controlled unpredictability. One moment, a soft, lingering touch. The next, a firmer, sharper pressure. One angle slightly shifted, then another repeated with a small twist. These small changes create a push and pull sensation, a tension that the brain interprets as anticipation and curiosity. This is the psychological element that turns physical technique into something magnetic. By alternating speed and intensity, the mind remains alert, craving the next movement, trying to predict the next response, and ultimately becoming more sensitive to every sensation. Variation also communicates attention and presence. You are actively reading the responses and adapting. This responsiveness signals care and engagement, which enhances connection and trust. The key is subtlety. Too much or abrupt change breaks the rhythm, while too little risks boredom. Controlled variation creates a dynamic experience, layering sensation with mental intrigue. Every shift becomes a micro surprise, keeping focus sharp, energy high, and anticipation growing. This is where simple technique evolves into an art form, blending physical skill with psychological awareness, turning every gesture into a deliberate moment of heightened attention and impact, making the experience feel unpredictable, alive, and deeply compelling. The third move focuses on subtle teasing, a skill that is more psychological than physical. It's about creating tension in a way that draws attention and anticipation without giving everything away at once. Teasing is not just random or playful, it's deliberate, strategic, and timed. It works by lightly engaging sensitive areas, pausing, and then retreating slightly to let the mind process the sensation and build expectation. The contrast between touch and withdrawal, between intensity and softness, amplifies perception. Even a small, gentle action can feel magnified when paired with a slight delay or shift in attention. This technique leverages the natural human response to anticipation. The brain becomes alert, the senses heighten, and every subsequent movement feels more powerful. Subtle teasing requires awareness and observation. Watching for micro-reactions like a breath change, muscle tension, or shifts in posture allows precise timing for maximum effect. It's about rhythm, a dance of push and pull, engaging attention without overwhelming. By holding back at the right moment, the tension becomes almost magnetic, compelling focus and curiosity. This is where mental engagement turns into physical response, where the mind craves release even before the body does. The art of teasing is in restraint and timing, knowing when to advance and when to pause, creating a dynamic feedback loop. Each small action resonates more deeply because it is anticipated, surprising, and layered with intention, showing that the subtle interplay of attention, timing, and gentle engagement is far more powerful than mere repetitive motion. The fourth move revolves around creating an active feedback loop, which is one of the most powerful yet often overlooked aspects of connection. It's not just about performing a set of movements. It's about being fully present, observing responses, and adjusting in real time. Every slight shift in breathing, every subtle change in posture, and every micro-expression provides valuable information about what is effective and what isn't. Paying attention to these cues allows for immediate adaptation, making the interaction feel personalized and intensely engaging. The feedback loop turns a simple technique into a dynamic conversation without words, where each action is met with a reaction that informs the next. This responsiveness demonstrates presence and awareness, signaling attentiveness and care, which heightens both emotional and physical intensity. The rhythm of adjustment, the ebb and flow of pressure, speed, and focus keeps attention heightened and anticipate ion growing. It also builds trust. Knowing that each response is noticed and accommodated makes the experience feel safe and connected, which allows sensations to deepen naturally. The feedback loop also introduces an element of unpredictability, as adjustments are based on real-time reactions rather than predetermined patterns. This makes the experience feel alive and responsive, not mechanical. Mastering this approach is about mindfulness and observation, tuning in to subtle signals and using them to guide movements and timing. The result is an interaction that feels intuitive, effortless, and deeply satisfying, where attention and responsiveness transform ordinary technique into a highly engaging, almost hypnotic experience that resonates on both physical and emotional levels. The fifth move focuses on emotional anchoring, which is what elevates technique from simple physical skill to a truly memorable experience. It's not just about what is done, but how it is done, with attention, presence, and subtle emotional cues. Emotional anchoring is about creating a connection through small, deliberate actions that resonate beyond the physical, such as whispered words, soft tones, or gentle eye contact. These cues communicate care, attentiveness, and playful intimacy, which heightens receptivity and amplifies sensations. When paired with physical technique, emotional signals create layers of experience that the mind remembers long after the moment has passed. The key is subtlety. It's not about overwhelming the senses, but about enhancing each movement with a psychological trigger that deepens engagement. Emotional anchoring leverages the natural human desire to feel seen, appreciated, and attended to, which intensifies the response to physical interaction. Presence is central. Being fully in the moment, noticing reactions, and responding thoughtfully signals awareness and control, which increases trust and emotional impact. Small gestures like a pause, a soft word, or a playful tone can act as anchors, linking a pleasurable sensation with an emotional response. This combination creates a feedback loop where the mind associates touch with connection, anticipation, and attentiveness. Over time, these anchored moments build a stronger, more memorable experience, making simple techniques feel profound and deeply satisfying. Emotional anchoring is the bridge between physical skill and psychological influence, transforming every movement into an experience that is both intensely felt and emotionally resonant. To wrap this up, mastering these 5 expert moves isn't just about technique, it's about presence, awareness, and subtle control. When slowed down, intentional actions are combined with playful variation, teasing, responsiveness, and emotional anchoring. What seems simple on the surface becomes a deeply immersive experience. Each move builds on the last, layering physical sensation with psychological engagement, creating anticipation, connection, and intensity that feels magnetic. It's not about rushing or performing perfectly. It's about reading cues, responding thoughtfully, and using timing and rhythm to guide attention and desire. The power comes from blending confidence with curiosity, patience with playfulness, and touch with emotion, transforming ordinary actions into unforgettable moments. By focusing on awareness, adaptability, and emotional presence, every interaction can become more than physical. It becomes a memory, an experience that resonates beyond the immediate moment. Ultimately, the mastery lies in understanding that technique alone is not enough. The combination of mental, emotional, and physical engagement is what drives intensity and creates a lasting impression. With practice and mindfulness, these principles turn simple gestures into a sophisticated, captivating art form that elevates connection and attention to a level few ever achieve. If you found these insights powerful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a secret tip. And drop the word magnetized in the comments to show you're ready to own this energy and level up your game.